Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. This is Prince. This session is being recorded, of course. Let's see one more time. Sound check 1 2 1 2. Yep, microphone is doing well. And good afternoon. Weather is awesome today. It's really cloudy outside, and finally we've hit the winter. Sorry for being away. I've been away for a while doing a few real estate and oil projects on the side, and kind of semi-retired originally from trading and other stuff. Anyway, let's get the analysis started. I'm watching the crude oil. This is WTI, West Texas Industrial Crude Oil daily chart. Okay, technically the EMAs have crossed. The fast EMAs that I'm using in this chart are 13 EMA, 21 EMA, and let's see what's the other one. Damn, I've been long for some time, huh? Okay, we've got even a 50 EMA, 200 EMA, which is the purple one, and the 800 EMA. Above, depending on your strategy, are you short-term trader, long-term, medium-term, above the close of this EMAs, you're bullish. So at the moment, the fast-moving averages have crossed and we are above the 800 EMA, so we are bullish at the moment, and I'm looking for buying the pullbacks. The crude oil market had been bearish for a while, and it has been consolidating in this area for many days. Actually, this was really a chop. I was watching it from my cell phone outside. Let's draw a rectangle here. This one, you see, for quite a few days it has been in a sideways range, and it has broken above this sideways trend to upward. So now the trick is going to be that what support becomes resistance, what's resistance becomes support. We want the price, again, it's consolidating at the highs around 97 area. Either we can take a short below the break of this daily candle, okay, and go all the way down to 91, or we can wait for the price to come back down, touch any of these EMAs, or come to the boundary of this box and take a long trade to go back up. So I don't care about the fundamentals, the news, what does the OPEC says or whatever, because the trick is you use 1-to-1 leverage or 1-to-10 leverage when you're trading. We are already on the support area, as you can see. This was the key support level. Let's draw them. Okay. This was a previous resistance, and we're coming in. You can see, like, kind of between 91 to 98, it's kind of a fair price trading zone. Can you see that? Chop and slop, chop and slop. Then suddenly, because of the war rumors, it breaks out. It touches 112 or 113 area, and it comes all the way back down after, of course, running all those stops. So worst case scenario is, let's say if we are long somewhere around this area, the next key support that we're going to have is here at 84. Yep. But this is really too far. Okay, this don't happen in one day going to 76. When it comes there, we'll talk about it, how to tackle it. So anyway, in summary, crude oil trend is up at the moment because it's the EMAs have had shit. Let me come up with the words. Okay, the EMAs have crossed. The EMAs have made a bullish cross, and we are trading above them. So our strategy is either to buy the breakout of the next resistance, which is above 98.28, or the best thing would be to wait for a pullback when the price retraces back to the fast moving averages. Let's get rid of the MACD. Yep. Okay, that makes chart easy. That's the WTI crude oil. Now let's roll over to the Brent crude oil. Okay, Brent crude oil has been bullish, of course. It has crossed above the EMAs, and it's having difficult time going long. We are already in the resistance zone. I don't want to short sell Brent at the moment, but the best thing I think will be we draw our fibs from here. Okay, and when the price on the Brent comes around 107 area or 106 area, we'll be looking for a W pattern, a reversal long pattern. Like this is how the price should come to this EMA. okay, to this fib level. Let's wait for it to make it like consolidate, and then break above this peak, you know, we can take a long. This is how we want. And if you want to really place a stop, you can place below this below this fib level, around below 77.6 or 88.6, or below the 100% level. So Brent, I am not thinking to trade, but if I was taking a trade on Brent oil, I would be going for probably a short. But let me see, where can we go short? Yeah, probably I would short Brent at the break of this candle. Okay, 110. My target would be around, you know, this can be my first target, 208 ticks, which is around 108.34 area. The next target would be for 106.37. These are good targets, and your stop would be, it would be above 100. It would be around 113 or 113.98. These are reasonable prices to place your stop. But you see, the stop is smaller than the target because the main target is 417 ticks or 417 ticks, and here the stop is between 245 to 360 ticks. But yeah, if the trade goes in your direction, feel free to trail that dirty stop. If you're 100 ticks in profit, move your stop to 50 ticks, 70 ticks, depending on your trade management. So now look at Russell 2000. Okay, Russell 2000 is my favorite markets. Okay, the reason is because when I was becoming a new trader, my first mentor was Harry Singh. Second was Joseph James. Third is Vladimir. All of these mentors are great. They have good education programs, good trading education program. I don't recommend you jump for trading education somewhere else. If you're with Vladimir, stick with Vladimir. So I give the credit where it goes. So anyway, you can see Russell 2000 is in a bull channel. Okay, I don't like shorting. Most of you who've been with me for some time, they know I don't like short selling. I like buying. Okay, what we're gonna do is probably there are two ways to trade Russell. First, we wait the price to come at this bull channel lows. Okay, and we look for a reversal pattern, W pattern long. Okay, or what we can do is, these are the key at the moment, these are the support areas on. Okay, if I can click. Okay, oops, damn, what's wrong? A simple trend line giving us a hard time. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the prices where you can look for buy opportunities when the price comes back. I want to, of course, buy here. I think maybe I'll buy at all these key support areas and go all the way up. That's the Russell 2000. It's really nice. Russell 2000 is mostly sideways. Technically, or let's say theoretically, the market are supposed to go up. Look, the commodities shouldn't be zero. I hate trading stocks because the companies can go bankrupt. I don't want to trade stocks, but the commodity like oil, sugar, gas, or gold and silver, they won't go zero. They might give you a hard time. You might take a heat if you are really being aggressive in trading, but for the time being, like, you have to understand, they won't go zero. So it's best to buy pullbacks. So that's the plan for Russell. But I don't think so all brokers support Russell 2000 instrument. You have to check with your broker, but the best broker that I recommend for trading at the moment is AvaFX. So, yep, here the price, let's zoom into a fast chart, okay? 30-minute chart. Russell's consolidating at the highs, trying to make a low, but the sellers, you can see here from the candlestick patterns, there's a good support around this area. So if the price comes down, you can buy it. Let me see. Let's draw our fib levels. I recently became a fan of fibs. So here, this is the 50% retracement level. So long trade on Russell is gonna be 112, 1122. 1122.7 area. This is gonna be our long, and you can see here in the past when the price We've seen how the buyers took control here and spiked it all the way up for 115 ticks. So, and how about the euro US dollar? I'm not a fan of forex, but just for the sake of diversification, I'm gonna trade forex as well. I like this is the daily chart on euro US dollar pair. You see the price went all the way up to 138.31, 1.3831, and it fell all the way back by 538 pips to 1.33. So, and at the moment, yes, of course, we have the EMAs have a bullish cross. We're above the 800 EMA, okay, above the 200, above the 50, above the 13. So I wanna ride the Russell. I wanna ride the Euro US dollar pair long. I want the market to make a correction and come around this area, around 1.355 or 1.36 to take a long here. You know what I'll do? I'll take a long at 1.3622. Let me mark it. Okay, and I'll let it go against me if it wants to. Then I'll take another trade, at this trend line around 1.33 or here. These are the prices where I want to go long on the euro US dollar, or the easy thing is now here might be to draw the fib levels around the 50-60% retracement area. Pull back, we can take a long and place our stop at the 77.60. The target would be the highs. So that's it for now. Okay, it's please excuse if my analysis or the video is not so clear because I'm making a video after really a very long time. Feel free to post your questions, comment under the video, or you can post your questions in the Skype room, and I'll get back to you. And if I'm seeing any trade opportunities and I'm planning to take a trade, I'll post it for you all. So have a good week. I hope you'll have a nice trading day. So we'll stay in touch. Take care and bye bye for now.